Everyone, it's Automations Guru again. So I was working on a job application, and I think I can explain a useful thing here that will be useful for all of you. Because Gohighlevel launched conditional logic few days ago, and I need to I was using basically that conditional logic in that form. So I was thinking if I can just make a quick video, so it will be helpful for all of you to know these like how these conditional things works. So you can see this is a basic job application form for a cleaning company. So what I'm doing here, I have created a condition like if they are over 21, or if they don't have a license, or if they can't work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., or if they are allergic to household chemical, like, or if they are also allergic to cats and dog, then they will be disqualified for this job. So you can see we have a new icon here from the top left here, add conditional logic. If I click here, I have created a logic here. So you can see if I added this, if if you over 21, if they are over 21, then it's a no. Like if they select yes or no, like we can just disqualify them on the base of these criteria. Because this is job is specifically for those people who are able to do all of these things. Okay. So if they can't do this, they will be disqualified. So in the same way we can create another logics. Let's say uh, redirect to URL. If I want, like, if they are over 21, I want them to if they select yes, I want them to read a specific website. I can just say www.heathersofter.com. So we can just send them there. you know I can just save this logic. So you can see it's just created another logic here. So if anyone selected yes to 21, let's say we will send them to any other terms and policy page, like you are disqualified for this reason or whatever. So this is how we can like redirect anyone to for selecting any answer at the submission of the form. So you can see we can select yes, and we can select and or, and we can create select any website here. So you can see now we have three conditions, and display custom message. Let's say uh, if someone selected, are you able to provide a reference? If someone selected this, and at the submission, we can just say thanks for giving us a reference. So that's another condition. So that's why, so disqualify lead, I have already created disqualify lead uh, condition, which I already showed you, like, are you over to 21, do you have the license, this, and we will reject them. So these are the conditions that we can create here, by the way. And then show and hide field. Let's say if someone select are you over 21, yes, and then we can like show them some fields which was hidden, by the way. So we can create some extra field and hide them and show them when they select something. Let's say so in this field you can see, are you able to provide references? So I can create a hide and show field here. Let's say, are you able to provide reference? If they say yes, then what I want to do, I want them to like show. Let's say if they select no. So what I want to do, I want to hide I want to hide reference name one. Yeah. So I want to name, I want to hide that specific name. So we can create that condition too. So you can see now we have a lot of conditions. And if I just preview this, so you can see if I just select this one, are you able to provide two references? If I select yes, or if I select no, so you can see reference name one is hidden now. So we can also do that thing, like we can hide a specific field on based on yes or no, like we can hide or show. So that was our first condition here, you can see. And then we have disqualify thing. So disqualify thing is whenever we select all of them and submit that, and then it will like show us a message, you are disqualified for this job. So redirect thing is when we like select these options and when we submit, it will show us that. And display custom message, are you able to provide two reference? If they select that thing, then they will go there. And these conditions have a priority from top order, so it will follow the first field first, like that hidden field condition will be always first, then disqualify lead. Let's say if our two fields are uh, overlapping each other, then the top order, which is this one, uh, disqualify lead. Let's say you can see, are you able to provide two reference? So like if two of our condition are overlapping, then it will always follow the top order. It will like give the preference to the top order condition to display that thing. Okay. And we can also change that order, like we can decide the priority. So that was a quick video about like how the conditional logics things works in Go high level, and how you can like apply them. I hope that video will be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel Automations Guru, and turn on your notifications. Speak soon.